So as you guys can see, this is the part 2 of how we're doing with the flares and the fucking and the cutting of the fucking quarter panel. So I already did some markings on where up to I'm gonna be cutting. So unfortunately, I'm gonna be cutting the door as well. But since this is a fucked up door, it's not a problem. That's why I'm doing this, cause this is a fucked up quarter panel, as you can see, and a fucked up door. That's why I'm just doing these flares, because everything of these cars just fucked up. That's why. And this is just a cutting, because I was just messing around with you guys. Probably you guys are gonna be probably you guys already thinking that I'm just messing around with the car and fucking it up. Well, actually I am, but it's for its own good. It's gonna look good at the end of the project. I'm gonna be cutting up to here, because I'm gonna be running 15-inch wheels in the back, and it's rubbing the fuck out of this. Already lowered where I want it to be. I can lower 2 more inches, but this is as low as I want it. And the front, that's as high as I can get it. And this is a hood that this is a hood that I trade with one of my friends. I traded my metal hood for this one, because I'm gonna be trimming this piece, or this part right here where the hood trim goes. And I was planning on putting hood trims, so I was like, just trade me your hood and we'll make it even. And because trimming small pieces in metal, it gets tricky, because the blades can go sideways or crooked. But that's why I need a fiberglass, because it's easier to cut in fiberglass. So probably this is all the way that I'm gonna be cutting, but I still need to weld this part right here, this to the quarter panel, because I don't want water to go inside the trunk, or inside the back of the car, well, the inside. So now that I have the back all cut and stuff, I'm gonna be focusing on the front fenders. I did the measurements, and I'm gonna be cutting like 3 inches. I'm gonna be replacing the front springs to the back, and the back to the front, because the front are a little bit bigger. I have them right here. I already did them on this side. I just need to do the other side, and as you can see, I still can lower it way more, but I want this height probably a ½ inch lowered. So I just need to do the other side, and we're all good. And I'm just waiting on the wheels. They're gonna be 15 by 9 in the back, and 15 by 9 or 8 in the front. So I'm gonna start by removing this fender and lifting it up, so I can take the wheels out, then taking the coilovers. So I already took that coilover out, the rear. Now it's time to the front. It has 2 bolts, one right here and one on the other side. It's under the caliper. And then we gotta take the 3 bolts over here on the top, on the camber plate. Then we just with a hammer, just give it a little tap, then it should come off. Since I have the tire off, the wheel out, I got a chance to hit this part right there, because every time you turn, the wheel always rubs or hits that part right there and messes up the wheel. So I'm gonna just cover that up, paint it so it won't get rusty. But I'm gonna take these bolts and this nut, the bigger nut, so I can take the spring out. As you can see, this is the big difference of a spring, and I want the bigger ones because the front is always that get more of the heat, because when you're driving, the front always gets the first hit, and it's a stronger one. So I want I want the front coilovers to be strong and support every hit or every jump, and it'll give me more clearance over here in the strut, so I can lower it a little bit more. Now that everything's in place, I'm gonna put everything back together, and you guys are gonna see the difference. Well, I should have took a video of before and after of the height and measure it, but oh well. So everything's finished as of right now. This is not the height that I wanted. This is not the height that I wanted. I still need a couple more inches to drop, basically. And also the new wheels are gonna be dropping the car a little bit more. But this is right now I'm gonna take my girl's car seat to her house. Then I'm gonna be coming back and replacing the exhaust. So I'll see you guys in a bit.